In today's video, I have some coloring pages here from the book of She Rises Coloring Book for Women, 30 Printable Empowerment Pages. Now, the reason why I'm holding this, it is because I've already colored some of them. And there is a question here. I'm going to start with here. I'm going to turn these comments so that you guys can see. There is this comment from Natalie. Okay, she's asking, how do you color your first page from the AI image generated? Okay, and I think she was referring to this video whereby I did the video about how to make 30 coloring pages, this one in one click. And now I want to show you guys exactly what I was doing, and of course I want to show you the means or maybe the ways that you can actually beautifully color these coloring pages once you have acquired them, or maybe you have bought a coloring book from your provider, maybe let's say from Etsy, from Gumroad, from Amazon, wherever you are. But for this one, exactly this book, you can find them in my Etsy shop. Now I want to show you different ways, exactly how I use the ones that actually makes me they make me more human being, and also they give me value, they add value in my life when I do, which is and also I'm going to show you the coloring image generator that we used, which is none other than the image generator, which is called what do we call it? This one was another one, ColoringBook.ai. That was the image, the video that I did. She was asking about it. Okay, now to move forward, or maybe to move forward with what I'm doing, I'm gonna start with the first page, which you can see, guys, I have already colored, as you can see here. And the page that we're gonna be doing, of course, I have some of them. We're gonna download the page. I have them here. So the page that we're going to be doing, it is this. We're going to be focusing on that. I'm going to just drop it here on my canvas so that you guys can also see. But basically, this is what I have colored. I have my coloring items here, a lot of them. And this page, let's just explore some of the page content. It is the quiet within me. And then here we have the middle of the storm. In the middle of the storm, the calm. Okay, this is a very interesting, very interesting coloring book for women, especially if you are in a very difficult situation. You are finding your way out in terms of freedom in finance, freedom in actually leadership, freedom in stewardship, freedom in doing whatever you want, and you are stuck in somewhere. So you're manifesting what you want within you. So this is the first page that I did, and you can see I have not even completed, because I normally do it. And the reason that the first way I normally do is actually just to pick the pen, or maybe the coloring the traditional way, and then just color depending on how I feel. And the reason why I feel like it is the most valuable way to color is that it actually stuck in your mind. If you're going through a situationship, or maybe not even a very bad situationship, but you're manifesting something greater, you can just actually do the traditional way. Go to a printer, get the papers, or maybe get the print, get these downloads. It is a digital product. You can instantly get them, and then just start doing what? Color. You just color using any colors that you have, your crayons or whatever we call this one. And then you read the words as the word goes inside your mind. Okay, you can do whatever you want. You can make them as beautiful as you want, if you want, page per page, depending on the faster way you want. But for me, I prefer each day maybe 2 pages or maybe 3 pages, because if you just randomly do it the whole day, you won't understand the meaning. It won't manifest in your life, or maybe not in your life, but in your deeper in your deeper thoughts. Okay, so that way it makes me feel calm, it makes me manifest myself in terms of my goals, and also it just give me a humble time to relax, me time, and just focus on myself, on the goals and the one. Now another way, the second way, I think, which is more of the tool that I used, the AI tool I use, this one. I'm going to show you. For instance, I have some coloring pages here that I have actually done what? I have generated. Of course, I was trying to generate a page here. This one. Let's just see. This is the prompt that we use. Okay. So the prompt that I use, it is clean line art coloring page for adults, specific subject, e.g. African queen, surrounded by elegant floral patterns, bold crisp black outlines, pure white background, zero shading, zero gray, grayor, okay, clean vector style, ultra resolution, and then the hyper detail mandala. Okay, this is some sort of mandala stuff. So you can generate using this tool, ColoringBook.ai. Of course, we have a lot of tools that you can actually use. So you come here, text to image, and then you do what? You insert your prompt here. Once you do that, you select if it is for the toddlers, for children, for teenagers, or for adults. This one is for adults. You select the dimension, which normally default 8 by 5.11. Okay, 8.5 by 11. And then you just generate, and then when you click generate, it will start to generate a page which is similar to this one. Now for this one, the book that I'm talking about, this is once you have generated your book here, okay, you have generated here. Unfortunately, I have seen using this application, there is nowhere you can actually download this page. Okay, you can download as a PNG. Let's just download. As you are seeing me downloading, once you download, there is this where we have image to coloring pages here. Okay, not here, but here I have seen here online coloring. We have online coloring. So when I look at this place, unless I'm not on the right place, or maybe I'm not doing the right thing, you see they have provided already done for you pages, and also your coloring record, which is here. So you can pick one here, but unfortunately, or you can browse all for more. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't see the place you can upload this page that we have actually done what we have actually downloaded from this app and then start coloring. Okay, text to coloring, image to coloring based pages. Let me see if we can use this one, because she asked and I didn't want. Okay, like that. This is the page, and then I'm gonna press faces, and then let's see if it's gonna color. I think I'm the one who was confusing you guys. Let's see if we can color this. Generate now too. Okay, let's just see if I'm quite sure. We're gonna do this together, guys, because we are still learning some of these AI tools. So I'm gonna generate, and let's see if it's gonna come out with coloring page. If not, then it means that I'm gonna show you the third option, which I normally use. So let's give it a few minutes. And by the way, if you are seeing this video, you're finding value, you want to see more AI tools to actually help you as a woman of God to actually do what? Start your online business, generate your online wealth, or maybe presence without fear, without being intimidated by AI tools, or maybe by technology, and also just to learn together with faith from God, and also with actually guidance from God using the AI tools. Please don't forget to like, also share with a sister you know, or a brother you know, who will want to join our community, so that we can learn together, and also just keep on learning together. Nobody's right, nobody's perfect. We are all children of God, and also we are all learning together to utilize this. Now, as you can see, there is nothing here, so it means that we cannot directly upload the image that we have generated and start coloring. Now let's focus here a little bit here. For instance, you want to color, maybe you are bored, you want to do online coloring, then it means you can come here, pick the image that you want. For instance, this one, and then we have palette here, we have skin tone here, we have hair color, we have eyes, lips, sky, forest, earth tones, minerals, and stuff like that. So for instance, for here, we can choose skin tone. Let's color it this color. Okay, and then just start coloring. I hope it's gonna do that, and then we start coloring our what is this? Is this a dog or what? Not a dog, a sheep or an antelope. I'm finding it difficult. Okay, we can call it an antelope or what. So you just pick a color and then you just color. Go ahead and color it as you wish. Okay, I'm just gonna do it faster, or maybe I'm doing it faster just to show you, but I'm sure you can do it more better if you have time. Now the reason for online coloring, it is because even though you will do it perfectly, but it won't sync the way you do it when you are actually focused, and also when you are when you are calm. Okay, so just like that. Let's see if I can finish this one within a minute. Okay, so it is faster, but it won't give you that that feeling of coloring something. And then for these leaves, we can pick actually green, then just color them. Okay, depending on the color that you want, just do it as you wish. Make it as beautiful as you wish. So I'm gonna just quickly do that, and you can see it's not hard, especially for kids. This, I think, for young kids, or maybe for your children who want to do online coloring, they can find it so amazing. It's gonna keep them so busy, and also it's gonna keep them actually their mind active in coloring. Okay, so let's say I have colored like so. I have colored the whole thing like that. Okay, we have some here. It's also some part of learning, and I think it is amazing. Let me smooth this so you can see as quickly as that. Okay, I'm doing it faster, but I know you can do it more better than me. Okay, just like that. Okay, you can go ahead and add in more colors as you want, but this is what basically that one. Once you are done, you are pleased, you leave it, you can download. I'm not sure if you have a place for downloading. Now I'm going to show you the last method that you can also use the AI tools, some of the AI tools that I normally do, which is Gemini. Okay, let's start with Gemini. I'm gonna give Gemini our page. Okay, you come here to Gemini. Okay, and then bring in our paper here. This is, you upload our paper here, our image, which is this one. This is the image that we uploaded to Gemini, and just tell it to color. Please kindly color this. Okay, just simple, kindly color this page as beautiful as possible. Okay, and then click like that. Let's see. And then I'm gonna just take the same thing, put in let's say another AI tool, which is actually, let's say I'm using ChatGPT. You can use whichever we want. I'm gonna get the same image. Okay, she rises, put here, and then tell it to color, and let's compare the results. Let's see if it's gonna come out the perfect way. Okay, just like that. Let's see if we can come. So let's see. As you can see, ChatGPT will start actually doing what? Color for you, start coloring for you. Let's go to Gemini to see if it has colored, and you can see, wow, this is super amazing. It's not the same like this one, so it gives you an idea. We still have a chance to color here inside. If you see, we still have a chance. I still have a chance to color inside here. So to make it as beautiful as possible, you can see the AI has colored the chair, the couch with amazing color, and also for me with this blue color, depending on how I want. Okay, but the page is still beautiful, and you can see you can download and do that for the entire book. Okay, we have number 1, I've colored number 2, I have all of them here. I'm still coloring the book, it's not done yet, but you can see I have all of them colored here. Each time I feel like I need to have some time manifest my life a little bit, I do it. So I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, download it, and then let's compare with let's compare with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is still processing, but let's see. We can choose vibrant hues. Okay, this is a very easy way to actually give an AI. You generate with an AI tool and also give it another task to do what? To color for you, okay? And then you're gonna have beautiful pages that are already colored and you can go ahead and print them. But there is a risk there because when you are going to print when they are colored, remember the prices might be different unless if you are using your own your own printer at home. So ChatGPT is taking some time, quite time compared to Gemini, which is, I think Gemini has done an amazing job. You can see the quiet within in the middle of the storm. It has left the word very well without disturbing it. Let's see if ChatGPT has done. Unfortunately, still taking its time. We're gonna give it a minute to see, okay, and then to see if it's gonna come out, okay? So I'm gonna compare. Otherwise, I just wanted to answer this question quickly and tell Natalia different ways you can actually do what you can actually manifest you can color your beautiful coloring pages using AI tools. Either you are using the free ColoringBook.ai. Unfortunately, we have seen, I don't see the place for, unless you tell me if there is a place to actually do the whole thing. But you can use AI to actually color for you. Or the better still, you can do it by yourself the same way I have done and come out with your own creativity and also even add some words or maybe some manifestation verses, Bible quotes or whatever, how your day went. You can still write on that paper. Let's see if ChatGPT, unfortunately it is not still, it's still thinking. Let me refresh just to see if it has gotten okay, it's still doing whatever, it is still thinking. I don't know what it is thinking about. Okay, there we have, it has actually done it. Super amazing. Similar to if we compare this one together with with Gemini, ChatGPT has amazing way to color it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, download all of them, and then I'll show you and also compare together with mine here. All of them amazing. Otherwise, if you need the prompt that I use to actually to even generate this amazing, or you want these coloring pages, like I said, they are on my description. You can get them and actually start coloring. I'll see you next in my next video. Thanks for actually asking, Natalie, for asking, and also the prompt for the specific video you are talking about. It is in my free Substack account. You can find them, use them to generate a 30-wall page or maybe a 30 pages of a book, coloring book, depending on what you want. See you next in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and take care. Bye bye.